Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Hooked Up Fishing. As we posted up a recent video of going out catching a few whiting, we did say that Alan here had a little bit of a challenge to do a cook up. So what we're going to do is a bit of a cook up for you guys today. He's going to use his experience, knowledge of, what would you call it? What are you going to call your cook up, mate?
Culinary delights.
The culinary delights. Now what we've got is we've brought all the kids around today. So we've got the whole crew.
Yep.
They're going to be on camera shortly and they're going to do a bit of a taste test and actually tell you guys out there if his cooking is primo or not so primo.
Yeah, rating wonder hero.
I like that, that's good. So stick with us guys, we're going to get over here. We're just getting it all prepped up for you and stay tuned and here we go.
Whiting and squid, hooray! G'day Hooked Up viewers. Now we're going to have a bit of a catch and cook. So we've already caught the fish and the squid, but this is a quick prep. So we've got flour, egg and panko breadcrumbs with a mix of salt and vinegar, honey, soy. So we're going to do something tricky with that. But anyway, pot's getting hot. So we've got a nice garnish salad ready to go on the plate with some
so these are, what sort of crumbs do you use?
These are panko.
Right.
Panko breadcrumbs, all right. Predominantly used out of Japan. Opposed to your normal breadcrumbs, they're a lot crunchier, stay on the meat, fish, etc. A lot better, more crunchier, taste better. So we've got the Japanese Kewpie as well, so we'll garnish the salad and everything with that. We've got lemon wedges. Yeah, so we've got floured squid.
We have prepped some already just to make this go a bit quicker for you guys.
That's right. So
you've also just
calamari, so we'll use flour, we'll use the honey, soy and salt and vinegar chips with panko. So we've got a variety here of a bit of a cook up for you. So we'll get started. We'll drop these in first. All right, so just tongs. We're going to need tongs. So, flash fry them, they don't take long, couple of minutes, that's it, straight out on the paper towel. Now we'll grab some squid, into the egg wash. We've got another 2 fillets of whiting here, so we'll get them all organised. Rinse them off, get them in there, cover them up, smash them up. Like so. Right, and then it's just a matter of... Now these squid don't take long to cook, so you just drop them in, turn them all over. Oh, if they had smell-o-vision, wow. Beautiful. And these squid are so supple when they come out.
So what did you do with your squid preparation, apart from, obviously we've cleaned them all up after we caught them?
Yeah, we've cleaned them up, turned the tubes inside out, we got rid of all the guts. And
so you pad them down nice and dry first?
Yeah, you pat them all down, get all the moisture out of them, because that just helps with the preparation, so everything sticks to it a lot easier. So, won't go too long with these, because you don't need to get them lightly golden brown. So look at that. That's done. That's done. So we can pull them off like that. And I've also got the mallet to these, so you want to soften them up because some people don't like really chewy squid, Paul. So it's best to soften them up with the mallet.
To really give them a good tenderising.
That gives the meat a real suppleness and instead of having this elastic rubber band chewing on it, it's just really nice. Get these fish up, which are done. Okay, now just move these around a bit more, get them going. So we've got just some plain floured squid, we got panko squid, we got honey soy with salt and vinegar squid.
And I tell you what, that smell,
oh, like wowza.
All I can smell from here is sweet and sour. And look.
Here's the plate up. Okay, lovely. It's already garnished the plate, so we put some squid on the outside. Get it looking spiffy. And then we'll just lay our whiting over the bed of salad. All the squid on the outside, the starter, and then you got your main course. Alright, so from here,
This is off. Alright, we want to have a.
this is heavy.
Alright, guys, time to do the digging. Who's going to go first? Alright, Aaliyah, go dig in. Tell us what you think. Be honest, what do you think?
I can't get it. Yum.
Alright, so we've got the kiddies
Next.
Okay.
in the catch and cook, so they're doing a taste test.
Yum. Oh, she. Yum. Go away. What about your time?
Alright, come Maddie, get into it. Look at the camera.
Doesn't want to taste like
Is that
fish.
good?
Good.
What are you having, River? Look at the camera.
Doesn't want to taste like
Is that
fish.
good?
Yeah. Good.
What are you having, River? So you're having the whiting? What are you having? What are you having? You're having the squid. You like that, don't you?
Okay.
What did you have, Shaylee? The squid. Did you like it? Yes? That's amazing. Now, this is going to be the test of all, is Big Daddy Paul's going to have some whiting.
I'm going to have some whiting here. First and foremost, I'm going to do something I don't normally do. Eat fish, first of all. So I'll put a bit of lemon on it.
Oh, that's befitting.
Okay.
Well, we caught it.
Just break it apart, Paul, and show them how white it is. Ah, look at that. He always pulls a face when he puts fish in his gob.
Bait, that's right.
Bait. When you can eat bait, eat it.
I'm telling you. Look at that.
So I think that's a thumbs up from Mr. Paul White. Well done. All right, we'll close out here. Everyone's happy, got smiles on their faces. Yeah, I think that's a big thumbs up overall. Anyway, thanks guys for tuning in and joining us cook up this delight for everyone. The rating, okay, rating 1 from 10. And be honest, because you're telling the world here, people. Go on.
Okay. I wrote 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100. That's 1 out of 10 to 100. I'm liking that.
100.
And
100 out of 100.
10.
100 out of 100.
Yeah.
100.
10. Paul.
Oh, look, everyone's gone 10. I'm going to be your worst critic out of all of them. And I'm going to go 9.9. There's room for improvement.
So we'll call that a 10. All right, people. Hooroo.
Bye.
Stay hooked up.
Bye. Oh, that was good. That like moist.